Nonno, Giorgio, and Rory cooking with an air fryer, fun and exciting recipes. Here's our air fryer, and here we are ready to cook. Today we're making chicken tenders in lettuce wraps.
Hi.
Welcome back to the Nonno, Giorgio, and Rory cooking with an air fryer. And today we're going to do breaded chicken lettuce wraps.
Yes.
Now you
so
can
good.
use real breaded chicken pieces and do this. We're vegetarians, so we're using Beyond Meat's product, which is wonderful. And we'll show you pictures of that. All right, so the air fryer's been set on 400 and 8 minutes. So our ingredients are Beyond chicken tenders and Sriracha sauce or ranch dressing. To the Beyond chicken nuggets, I'm gonna stick them. The air fryer's been heated up, and we're gonna let it go. We've got our lettuce wraps out. If you like a little spicy, we do this Sriracha sauce on them, which is great. If you don't like spice, don't use it.
And I use a little bit of ranch dressing.
Uh-oh!
No, you don't like that. But it gives it a little moisture and a little flavor.
Okay.
And I'm not crazy about very hot things like you are. Okay, you're
All right. So the machine told me we were halfway done. So I'm flipping them at the halfway point. It tells you in the readout to flip them. And put them back in for the second half. And then I'm going to put on my ones a little Sriracha sauce. And Rory's going to put a little ranch on hers. Got the bell just went off, means it's done. They look golden. Now we're gonna taste these delectable bites.
Yum.
These beautiful chicken tenders in lettuce wraps are tasty and fun to make. So, if you pick up these lettuce wraps and wrap the lettuce around them, you have a little non-bread treat.
Yes. And right now we're just doing these as a little snack. If you want to make them a meal, then you can do 2 or 3, whatever type of appetite you have, but they're delicious. And
the crust on the chicken is so crispy. And you should get the same consistency whether you use real chicken ones or like the Beyond ones.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So good, isn't it? Salud.
If you're looking for the Beyond products, you know, Whole Foods has the burgers and breakfast sausage and dinner sausages and bratwurst. The steak, we've had a hard time finding it. We found it in Sprouts supermarket. Things like Publix, general supermarkets have the burgers and the sausages, but not the steaks yet, or at least we haven't found them. And if you ask around, we went into Sprouts and we couldn't find it there. And we said, oh boy. And I went up to the butcher and I said, you know, do you guys have the Beyond products, in particular the steak? And he goes, yeah. He said, but we can't keep them in stock. As soon as I order them, they go. So they've been ordering more and more, and now there's usually product there. And they have everything. They have the burgers, they have the 2-pack burgers and the 8-pack burgers. They have the sausages, which come as a 4-pack. They have the steak, which is a bag.
Chicken nuggets. And
Chicken nuggets,
chicken
which
tenders.
is a large bag. So it's good.
So light and refreshing.
If you have guests over and you want to do something, small appetizer, this is perfect.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, so watch our channel. If you like our stuff, hit that like button, then the bell, because you want to be notified of subscribe, and then the bell, because you want to be notified when we do new air fryer stuff.
Yeah.
And when the air fryers appear on YouTube, we're going to have them in a playlist called Air Fryer. So go to our channel, go to the playlist, and look up Air Fryer. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you try new recipes. There's a lot of things you can do in an air fryer.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Thanks
Bye
for
bye.
watching.
Here's the recipe. You can pause the video to copy down the recipe, or it's in the notes below the video on YouTube. We hope you have enjoyed our channel. If you have, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you get notified of new videos when they come out.